Good morning guys, in front of me is iPhone and let me show you how to manage network settings. So at first you have to open the settings and here you've got your network settings. So the first option that you can do here is activate the airplane mode. Smoothly by tapping you can turn it on and then the same way you can switch it off. Then you've got Wi-Fi details, so just click on Wi-Fi and now you can connect to some particular Wi-Fi. Let me switch it off. So you can connect with the Wi-Fi, you can look for another one, you can ask to join some network or activate some auto-join hotspot over here. So you can pick never, ask to join or automatic. Let me leave it in auto mode. Let me go back. Then we've got the Bluetooth option. So click here and if you want to use your Bluetooth smoothly, mark the indicator and that's it. Now you can pair your device with any other Bluetooth device. And finally we've got cellular data. Just click here and now you can smoothly check it. So that's it. These are all network settings here. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.